Okay, hello dear friends, champignon the mushroom. Hello dear friends, good evening. Such a beautiful evening. So first, I cut some ginger and cut into very thin slice. How you do it, use your hand to hold it very well and use this kind of large knife. See? And each thread, this julienne is so very thin. Can you see it? And now we put into the oil, and I have just made some fried egg, so I will continue to use the same oil instead of wasting it. Put the fire slow. Now we will cut some little onion already washed. This is on the side. So because this is a stir fry and you do not need to vary too much, and you can use relatively not only the thin part of the onion, also some of the rough green onion. Okay, so let's take a look. I put it everything in, and now I will stir it. Where is my spatula? It is here. So I use the fire very slow, almost no fire, because this way there is not too much splash. When you cook at home and when you cook outside in a big restaurant, hello, it is different. At home, you want to make your house not too splash. Hello, bye. Now I can turn on the fire stronger, and we will cut some mushroom here. So I heard from chef that they do not wash the mushroom, so we will not wash the mushroom. We will cut out the dirty part, and the rest is good. Then we can put it in. Okay, you go out. Quite simple like this. So the fire is starting to be stronger and hot, but it will be covered by the mushroom, so there is not very much splash, right? Now I will keep on cutting the mushroom. This is the poubelle. We have this one, cut this one out, that is good enough. Cut this one out, that is good enough. They are good. Now I put the fire very, very, very strong to the strongest. Look at it. See? And that is it. So you put in something you like. You can put soya sauce, cooking wine, and some. If you are vegetarian, you can put some vegetarian soup spice, vegetarian flavor cube. You know what? We have a lot of noodle soup spice, so, and it's quite spicy, so I will put it in. Two jump out, two escape, and that is it. And put a lot of salt. Soya sauce. Wine. And soup powder. Flavor soup powder. We will put a big spoon of it. It's very spicy. No, it's very salty. Not for us to eat. So this one is very salty. It's not for us to eat straight. I will cook them and put into a can and keep it for a long time. Some soya sauce, your choice. Doesn't hurt, doesn't help so much because by itself it has a lot of flavor. Cooking wine. This is very, very salty. Soya sauce, finish it. If you like it have a little bit more taste, put some sugar. It also helps to caramelize it. Caramelize a little bit further. Oh, I do not have sugar, so good enough. I will not use sugar. And that is my starter. Every time I use it, and sometimes I put a lot of oil, so it's kind of oil preserved. We can actually add some more oil. So as you have seen, when I cook during the week, just some vegetable already cut, already cleaned, vegetable, turn on the fire, empty pot, turn on the fire, put in vegetable, put in a big chunky spoonful of this sauce, a little bit water, that's it. Okay, we can stop it. And put some water in it, it becomes a soup, right? Let's do it. Turn on the fire. Come on. The fire is not working well. Oh, so this one, we put some water, it becomes a soup base. I do not wash my pot during the cooking because these are gold. They are the most flavorful part of the cooking. These are the most delicious part. Imagine the soup. So this one is done. Oh, I'm having trouble to find the lid. And put a lid on top of it. It will be sealed because it's hot. After some time, it will be suck in. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Bon appetito! Soup of sweet and sour, tofu soup, vegetable soup, anything. Imagine it. Or just like that. Put some vegetable, will be good. Bon appetito!